الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Welcome to Islamic study past question and answer. So inshallah, in this lesson we are going to answer 2025 NECO SSCE Islamic Study, that is IRS. So if you look at the screen, you will see that we have the first four questions here. Number one, the verse that precede وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَى is أَلَمْ يَجِدْكَ يَتِيمًا فَآوَى. This particular question is from Surah Al-Duha, chapter 93 of the Quran. So the word precede means which comes before. So they want us to pick an ayah that comes before وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَى. Let's go to number 2. In question 2, in Quran 17, that is Surah Al-Isra, verse 23, Allah commands kindness to, the answer is parent. In this ayah, Allah commands kindness to parent. In number 3, Al-Kawthar means the fount of abundance given to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The word Al-Kawthar, which means abundance of goods, is a river. Al-Kawthar is the title of the shortest chapter of the Quran, that is chapter 108. The word itself means abundance or an abundance of good. It also refers to a specific river or fountain in paradise that was given to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In number 4, the revelation took a period of approximately years. So approximately 23 years, 13 years in Mecca and 10 years in Medina. We'll move to the next question, where we have number 5, which of the following is mentioned in Surah Al-Humadah? The correct answer here is uncontrolled wealth, amazement. Number 6, the first revelation took place at where? At the cave of Hira. That is the first revelation, which was Surah Al-Alaq, chapter 96 of the Holy Quran, which was revealed in Makkah, and the incident took place in Cave Hira when Angel Jibreel appeared to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So the next question here, the main act of leadership, adalla, mas'uliyya, and the answer is shura. So we have, these are all the act of leadership. We have adalla, mas'uliyya, and the third one is shu'ura. The next question, which is number 8, extravagance is an act of being wasteful. Yes, that is what extravagance means. It is an act of being wasteful. Number 9, the following are examples of manners of good manners except. The following are examples of good manners except. So we are to choose the one that is not good manner. We have idleness. Idleness is not a good manner, but brotherhood, cleanliness, love of peace, respect to elders, they are all good manners. The correct answer here is idleness. So the next question, Suratul Fil relates the attack on the Kaaba by Abraha. Abraha is a Yemen king who planned and attacked the Kaaba, but Allah protected his house by sending a flock of birds to them. That's why by sending a flock of birds to them. The next one, number 11. How many verses does Suratul Qadr have? How many verses does Suratul Qadr have? Suratul Qadr has 5 ayah. Surah Al-Qadr is chapter 97, which means the night of power. In some books, some translated night of decree, night of majesty, but is known as Laylat al-Qadr. Okay, the surah contains 5 verses. The next question, which is number 12, the compilation of Quran was after the battle of Yamama. That is the answer. In number 13, the Quranic compilation committee was headed, that is the leader, was headed by Zaid bin Sabit. Yes, the committee was headed by Zaid bin Sabit, who was also the scribe of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Number 14, the day of judgment is described in Surah Al-Qari'ah as a day of work and accountability. So we, inshallah, in this first session we are going to stop at question 20, so that in the second video, inshallah, we continue from question number 21. In question 15, as at the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Al-Quran was not preserved through. During the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the compilation Quran was not preserved in compilation, but the dictation, memorization, recitation, and recording were available during the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Compilation was done during the reign of Abu Bakr as-Siddiq, in order to preserve the Quran for the next generation. Correct answer here is compilation was not available during the time of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The verse that comes after allati tattali'u alal afida innaha alayhim mu'sada. So here they want us to choose the ayah that follows this particular one, where you say allati tattali'u alal afida innaha alayhim mu'sada. So you try to practice the surah, try to get the exact surah where these verses were taken from, revise it in order to prepare for the other question that will come later or in another exam. Number 17, Allahu Samad means Allah is the what? Absolute or self-sufficient, but the right answer here is absolute. Allah is absolute. We have other names. Allah, other names that means this, the creator, the forgiver, the greatest, the invisible. So we have the correct answer here is absolute. The next question, the mode of Quran recitation was through an angel. Yes, we know we have other modes of revelation. For that of the Quran, the primary mode of revelation is through an angel. Number 19, none of you truly believe until he loves for his that which he loved for himself. The answer here is his brother. None of you truly believes until he loves for his brother what he loves for himself. The last question for today, inshallah, is if hadith contradict al-Quran, it should be rejected. Yes. So because you will not see an authentic hadith contradicting the Quran. In case you have a hadith that contradicts al-Quran, that hadith should be rejected. We pray that may Allah give us the understanding of our religion and make us a better Muslim. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. In our next video, inshallah, we are going to start from question number 21, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.